Hi everyone, it's Ingrid from Organise Your House. Good to see you here. I'm doing a Facebook Live today and I'm actually in my kitchen. It may sound a bit echoey to you, and that's right, because I'm in my kitchen today. And I wanted to talk to you about dishwashers. Now, dishwashers are of course a great piece of equipment in your kitchen, and I couldn't do without it, absolutely. And I love loading and unloading my dishwasher every day and make somebody else do the work for me. But of course, it's also very important that we maintain our dishwashers and keep them clean and keep them sorted, so they actually keep doing the work for us really well. Now, one thing you probably know you need to do is to clean your filters. And I've got here an example. There's a filter in the bottom of your dishwasher, and you can just take it out on maybe a monthly basis or so. And you just give this a wash, and then it works really, really well again. You can get all the dirt off, no problem. But sometimes I hear that dishes are not being cleaned properly. And what a lot of my clients don't know actually, and that's why I'm making this video, is that there's also, as you might know, there's two spray arms in your dishwasher. And these spray arms have little tiny bits of holes. Can you see that when I show that to you? They've got tiny little bits of holes. And every once in a while, a little bit of plastic or a little bit of food gets actually stuck in these little holes and blocks the water from running through. And that's when you get that your dishes that are in your dishwasher are not being cleaned properly. Now, there are two spray arms, one on the top rack and one in the bottom, and you can actually take these out of your machine and just give them a little bit of a rinse. If you run the water through here, you can just check if it all comes through at all of these, if the water comes out from these little holes. And if something's blocking it, you can just maybe take a little toothpick or a little fork or something and try and get it out. And you will see that when you click them back into place, that your dishes will be much, much cleaner again. Also, what you might want to do is occasionally, maybe once every quarter or once every half a year, clean your dishwasher with a cleaning dishwasher product. Now, of course, you can buy these in the shops, but an old-fashioned way of doing it is just buying a bottle of white vinegar, empty the vinegar into the dishwasher, just empty the bottle, don't put the glass bottle in, obviously, on the empty load. So don't put anything in, just put the vinegar in there or the dishwasher product that you've bought, and then let it run on the hottest possible temperature. Let it run empty and let it do a whole cycle. And it will probably take a couple of hours, but that's a really good way to clean your dishwasher from the inside. So I hope this is helpful. It's really important, of course, that we maintain all the great equipment that we have in our kitchen and around our house, and we maintain the equipment itself as well to do a good job for us. So I wanted to share this with you, so I hope it was helpful. Any questions, just pop them down in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. If you have another idea about a video or you have a question about something else in your house you would like answering, please do pop me an email or put a comment in, and I'm happy to answer that for you as well. So I hope that's helpful. It's Ingrid from Organise Your House. Hope you enjoyed this Facebook Live. See you next time. Bye.